6, 7. Okay, I'm live now.
7.
Sorry.
You're live. Give me a second. My Oleo's crashed. Okay, buddy.
Let me send out an announcement. Ping.
Alright, I'm going live.
Okay.
Could not access the specified channel or stream key. No fucking shot. It's doing this again.
Many such cases.
Oh my god. It disconnected my fucking YouTube.
It's over.
Okay, wait. No, I think I'm live on YouTube now. Hey. Also join the stream together, motherfucker.
Oh, I forgot. Can you send the stream together invite?
I did. The stream together, motherfucker.
Oop, I left your
10
stream
minutes
open.
ago.
There we go. Okay. Can you send the stream together?
I did, like 10 minutes ago. It says awaiting response.
Can you send the stream together to win?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What did I do? What have I done since the last time we streamed?
I don't know. I can show you what
I
I've
did a
done.
couple of things, but not great things. Yeah, you did stuff with Stoneblock. I pulled your changes. I'll commit these up.
I can push up the rest of my changes too. Also, there was an error when I tried to run the ground guys, but it was just because the exports weren't set for the raycasts, for like the ground and wall array.
Oh, okay, I see.
Because it didn't like that.
Do
they? It seemed like they weren't working on some rooms. Are there some rooms that they don't work on?
Technically.
Or is it that they
that's mainly
okay
by design of the room, not design of the system?
Okay, so there's a starting room that seemed like they were tweaking out of it. I'm not sure if that was because.
Really.
What do they do if they can't reach you? That's probably what I should
currently
ask
on
first.
your end. Nothing. Right now on my end, they will choose a position to go to. So
Then
it'll be
maybe
like,
something. I think mine is trying to revert it back to the old movement if it doesn't work.
Why is he standing here?
Because if I spawn.
What is he? Oh wait, does this have a navigation thing? It does, right?
Should, yeah,
This
because the
room?
flank guys are there. Yeah. But see, look here. If you're looking at my screen, he's just like tweaking around down here.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know why this guy's.
But it seems to be that he's getting triggered by the raycast. So I think it's like reverting to his old movement or something.
He has some shit going on that I added.
Okay.
Also,
Because
hello,
I
Lucky, how's it
I didn't
going?
know if you pushed it up or not. Okay, well now he can
think
get
so,
up
actually.
here.
I don't
he can
think
get
I
up
pushed
here.
up.
So I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know what he's
Okay.
doing.
Here's my jet.
Because he can get up here.
How tall is that jump?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
It's
Let
4.
me turn on the debug. I
2
should add
wide.
debug drawing options. That's what I wanted to do. I was thinking about that
But
earlier.
yeah, he like tweaking out, kind of weird. But I can show you the new parts I added. Or I guess there's just the spray bottle is the only new one. But oh, I forgot I left the collisions on. Let me turn this on real quick so it doesn't look terrible. Like, it had the same issue I had with the auto turret where the area was scaling infinitely because I said it wrong.
Yeah.
Yo, is that Lucky and Moaz Cheeseburger?
No. They're in my chat. Leave them alone.
Our chat.
I'm just kidding. No, that's my YouTube chat.
You guys should
Not our
come
chat.
join my stream. It's like way cooler. You can see all the cool
My
parts.
YouTube chat. My
You can hear
property
the spray
extends out to the
bottle.
fence.
I bet you can't hear the spray bottle on his stream.
My property extends out to the fence, so back off.
Here's the spray bottle though. If you wanna see what it looks like.
Debug draws. Give me a second. Let me get this.
Do you wanna add like a ripple shader?
Can. There's a couple of things I want to add first, but yeah. Because we have a deadline of stuff that I did not meet. And that's
Yeah, I think the main thing tonight is probably relics. There's a couple of cards that I want to do, but unless what do you have planned? Do you have anything planned?
I had a couple.
I mean, obviously
things.
there's
I don't know why,
the enemy variants that I don't know if you wanted to do those or not. But I was thinking the relics would be probably really easy for you to do. I mean, I can do them, but it's just you're the programmer, so like you know how to do those things a lot better.
Sometimes I'm in the wrong.
Either I could do them and ask you a bunch of questions, or you can do them, or
sorry, you can do what? What are you saying?
The relics, like I can probably make them. It'll just take some like mixture of me figuring stuff out and me asking you lots of questions. But not like that's very different from how I do anything.
It's true. Alright, let me see what's going on with this room. I want to see why things are breaking with this guy. Oh! You just aren't pathfinding at all. I see. He will strike at me. He just won't move. Is there not? There is a region in here, right? What is this called? Is this just called Start Room? Flesh Start Room. There you are. Navigation region. You should have gotten that tile map added to you. Oh, this didn't... What? This didn't do, like, anything. Waypoint map. I'm not seeing any of the... Oh, because I have to press Q to have it draw, and it's also not scaling correctly. Tile map, navigation. Navigation. Tile navigation is what it's called. Here we are. Draw. I think for this what I can do is I can just do like draw set, transform, vector 2.0, 0, and then 4. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh yeah, this just isn't populating everything, and I don't know why. There were just tiles missing. Oh! I kind of know what's going on here, I think. Oh, sorry. I played through your demo on Steam. Really cool stuff. The only point of feedback you want to give is the camera movement, especially vertical, was too jerky to enjoy the action. I get that, yeah. I still don't know what all we want to do with the vertical camera. I do get that specifically whenever you're like falling down or like when you jump on the jump pad, it can be a little jerky.
Yeah, I think maybe making the movement a little bit slower. Because yeah, it does kind of just like snap up when it doesn't really need to be that fast. Like it could just like slowly pan up.
Do you mean movement of the camera or movement of the player?
Movement of the camera.
Just to clarify. Okay. Okay, I think I know what's going on with this. If I go in here into the floor tile set.
Even just like changing the easing a little bit might even help. But like just jumping between like this platform here, it just feels like I can see what you mean. Like
why are there so many
bounce pads and things like that?
Why is the same image in here multiple times?
The same
but
what?
Like with slight. Okay, so I'm looking at the ground tile set.
Yeah.
Here, why does it have magma brick wall V3 auto tile and magma brick wall auto tile?
Because one of those is for the...
They're like the exact same, except one of them has like specs on it.
Yes, that's the only difference.
Which one is... So the one with the specs on is the one we're using?
Yes.
Okay. Because I have to edit this because there's a property that is supposed to be set up here that I didn't set up.
I see. Oh, that's... I see.
And then I think if I reload, perhaps? That might... Oh, I should probably drop straight into this room rather than not. this. Debug draw. Okay.
We could probably even like include camera options of like how fast you want it to
but I
follow,
think that the default should probably be
yeah.
tuned a little bit.
Is there easy places to change that?
It should be, yeah. I think I made the on the player scene the video camera object. I'm pretty sure
while
should
you
have.
are doing whatever you're doing.
I don't understand.
Oh yes, there we go.
What does this have?
Slow lerp, fast lerp. What wonderful parameter names.
Those are for horizontal.
Oh, this is for horizontal.
I
Okay.
believe.
What's for vertical? Guess I can't change the vertical speed.
Yeah, there might not be a vertical slurp speed.
Then I'll find it.
It does a lot of shit.
Okay, I won't find it.
Yeah, it does a
Hello,
lot of
ABM.
shit. It has so many.
Does.
It takes care of a lot of stuff.
Let me just look for Y. Let me look for Y and lerp in the same thing.
Your thing is going to be lerp amount. Oh no, I guess fast. Never mind. Slow lerp and fast lerp are actually for vertical. Just kidding, I lied. So you should be able to change those, and it would.
Well, let's
make an
just make
update.
these smaller then, and see how that goes.
Oh my god. I understand what's going wrong with this. I understand why this is breaking. Or at least it's doing something weird. I was like, or no, this shouldn't matter. Wait. Ground secondary and ground overlay. There's like a...
Ground overlay is empty on that room. Ground overlay is for stuff like the green goop in the green goop level.
I see.
So ground secondary is actually just a
Yeah,
second ground, so you can like collide with it. Ground overlay is purely visual.
I see. Wait, does this not have a... Wait, am I like blind? I thought that there was a variable in here called like just ground tile map or some shit. I guess not. I guess it's just ground overlay. Am I referencing that, or what am I doing? Yeah, I forgot the Discord announcement. Sometimes I just don't do them, you know?
Yeah, sometimes he's lazy.
It's not lazy. Just sometimes I don't do it. Oh, wait, no. No. I'm being a little stupid. Why am I being stupid? Oh, that's gross that that's an on-ready var. That should
That
still
on
be
ready
fine.
preload.
Oh, genuinely. That shouldn't matter, right? I want to
This
change.
feels
it, but
so
I'm not
weird.
going
I
to.
made the lerp speed so slow. It's like, it honestly isn't like terrible. The only like downside is when you're falling, you can't really see where you're going. But it's like a lot smoother.
Yeah. So the slow lerp is whenever you jump from a spot to another spot, how it like catches up to where the ground is.
I see.
Fast lerp is whenever you're like moving vertically throughout the air.
Okay. Honestly, this isn't too bad.
I think that looks fucking terrible. I'll be honest. I think that feels.
It's
I don't know how it
definitely
feels to play,
too
but it
slow.
looks very.
The main thing for me is that like things don't move around the screen, because I think the issue with the fast slurp is that when you're moving up and down, all the things like enemies and things like that are moving up and down really fast, whereas this they like kind of slowly move around, at least from your like perspective.
Yeah, I don't know. The camera's very. Oh god. It feels very slow.
It does a little bit, but
I don't understand why this isn't.
so I think
This is
somewhere in
grabbing the
between.
time. It should be filled out, and I don't know why it's not actually on this level, because it fills out on every other level, right?
What's the original idea? 0. So let's try
Hello, Bond.
0, 5,
Apparently, I'm fixing bugs with navigation, so.
0. Try that.
File navigation.
Hello, Bond. Dante 9 released tomorrow? No.
No.
Win.
Nope.
But we are gonna have the demo by the end of January.
See, like, this.
Right, Biddy?
This works. I don't understand. I don't understand.
I feel like
why
it's
this
it's that blend between the follow and the snap to when you land that's a little intense. Yeah, maybe.
This room is just having issues, I guess. Like, it's not.
So what if we keep the fast slurp, which is when you land or when you are falling, but the slow slurp
fast
we
slurp
turn
is
way down.
I don't think it has anything to do with the secondary tile map, does it? Unless, like...
What if you
Is this
just
using, like,
delete
a
the
different
secondary tile
terrain?
map for now? What?
This isn't using, like, a different terrain than normal, is it?
What do you mean different terrain? Like different terrain pattern?
Like a different, like, tile set? Like, this thing is what it's using.
I don't
on
know
the
what
floor,
you're
right?
asking.
I'm assuming.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. Scroll down.
Where?
In the list of tile sets. Or tiles. No, because that one's the background, yeah. So no.
Why are these two different?
Because the background has, or the ground has light occluders and collision, but
the background, you could just like turn off occlusion.
yeah, but that would involve me like reading that's an option.
Okay. No, that's okay. I just don't understand this tile navigation. Oh wait, is it? No, it's not. No, probably not, right? Surely. Yeah, okay, so this does run now. I just don't know why this section is not populated, but this one is. Like, do you see this one? This one has the line of traversal nodes correct, but it doesn't generate any here or down here. And I don't know why.
What does Dante have? 9
That's why.
of? 9 Dr. Peppers.
I think that's why the guy was like tweaking out, because he could sit here, like he could walk between these, because he sees these and he knows about them, but like he can't walk between these.
I don't know what you managed to
Let's
do.
walk through it. All right, so here's what we're doing. So
Can I change
wonder
this?
if I do populate ground targets. Is it because of a map bounds issue? I don't think so. Map bounds has point. Console not print. Program point. Test pause. Let's reload that. Okay, so this does break allegedly. Let me. Where are we getting bounds from? There's bounds. Map bounds. Ah, wait. Map bounds. minus 13, minus 22, up to 27. 20.
Okay, Biddy, how does this camera look actually if you're busy? Do what you're doing.
Yeah, give me a second. I think that's what I want to do. I want to say map columns. Map bounds. Throw one. Nope, I lied. Oh, fuck it, let's grow it by 10. Let's see what happens. Sick.
Where am I getting pinged? Who's pinging me in my server? Hello, Lucky. Welcome to the better stream. Who started a thread on my ping announcement?
It's fire.
I should ban them for doing that. Lucky, are you still making a big game project? I remember you started some like space looking thing and it looked really sick. I know you've made a couple really cool looking things. What am I doing?
What are you doing?
I
don't know.
You're working on it right now. That's great.
Fire.
I am still waiting for an update on it because I want to see what's going on with it. Because it did look very cool. You have a very cool art style. Someday I want to do 3D, but it's so hard. After this one, I might try 3D. I'm trying to think for a card that would mark an enemy. What would that? I don't even know what that would be like theming wise. Hello, Ginger Dev.
Laser pointer. Oh,
Laser
shit, wait,
pointer.
no.
No.
I don't know actually. To be honest with you.
Also, Lucky, you should join Bitlytic's Discord server because he has lots of cool game devs in it. So you should come say
That's
hi.
Somewhat true.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't think so, then you can join mine instead, but I'm just saying yours is probably better.
Yeah, no. Oh shit, dude. That's
Put
really
a cat
cool.
paw
I don't
stamp on it. But what does
Why
that
is
have to
this
do
so
with what the
large?
card does? Like, I mean, a cat paw stamp would be cool, but you know.
Mm-mm. Oh, sorry. I just looked over it. What's your preference in women?
you missed the message before.
What was the message
It said,
before?
what's your preference in men? And then like
That's fucking funny. Oh my lord.
I guess they'd change their mind.
Yeah. That's fucking funny.
Ginger Dev, literally off to bed considering you two had the dopest pixel art scene. Was wondering if you'd be up to try a pixel art game. Yes, I would love to try it. Made a web build. Tough. Yes, send it wherever. You can send it right here. Oh, there we go. I'm playing it right now.
Whoa, dude. Congratulations. I just hacked your bank accounts.
It's a web build.
Get fucked, idiot. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I can probably
Made in
still
Unity. So
Is
it's
it made in Unity?
vulnerable. That's
Oh,
not
never
true.
mind, I'm closing
That's not
it.
true. Unity isn't vulnerable. I don't know if that's
I
true.
know, it's okay. I was
That
just
would
saying
be
I'd
an
close it
issue
because it's
with
made with
Firefox
Unity,
or
not
something.
because it's a virus, you know.
I see. Yeah.
I'm sorry. You can use Unity.
Yeah, you're totally allowed to use Unity.
Hold up, it's got music. Hold up, we're gonna pause the music.
We'll judge you.
Can I resize
will
this
make fun
window?
of
Why
you.
is it? Not really. Oh. Okay.
What happened?
Oh, it's something with Twitch chat. I see.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
What happened?
They tried posting a message. The ant said, see, I can full screen it, but oh wait. Oh, you're right. I see. But can I resize the window? Okay, yes I can. There we go. I don't know why it
Probably,
wasn't
yeah.
letting me use my
You can-
fancy resizer. This
Your
looks
message
really
got blocked
sick.
by automod. I see your message. Your fucking Unity was spelled really weird.
It made an error message pop up on my OBS.
Holy shit, dude. This man has like the worst computer known to man or something, apparently. Why
Is this errors? Why is it telling me what errors you have?
Oh,
Okay, I like the menu buttons.
what
Ooh,
big
that
errors
feels
you
nice.
have?
I like the sounds. It's an alpha build. Okay, that's fair. That's fair.
Oh shit. Okay, I see.
Volume seems good.
Logo.
Only thing I would say is, I would start all the volumes at like 80%. Just so like if it's really quiet for some people, you can turn it up. That's like the tiniest little thing. Can you click on the... Another thing is if you have a logo that like bounces around, you have to be able to click on it and make it like do a little flip. You 100% don't have to do that, but I always try to do that whenever there's a game with like a logo that floats around.
Yeah, we definitely are not doing that on our menu currently.
We aren't.
Unfortunately. We might. Probably will. I don't understand. Wait. Okay, so I might actually like say something about this and be like, hey, I might just not support this room right now. I don't know why it's broken.
Weird.
And I don't feel like fixing it. Because it looks like it, unless were there other rooms that it was fucked up in, or was it just this one?
It seemed like it might be like when some of them when he can't get to you, he does some weird things, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, so what I've told it to do whenever it can't get to you is to go into like oh, hello, big numbers. So I'll just go into this room and I'll show you. So I've just made it so that whenever he can't get to you, he kind of just wanders around. He's not wandering around. Why is he just standing there? You can't get to me. What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on. Why is this navigation agent?
So far, the art's really good. The only thing that I'm going to complain about that some people might kill me for is there are some mixels in here.
Brother.
And I'm not a big fan.
Brother.
As long as it like these particles are fine. These little locks aren't too bad. Really, the main thing is just when it's like really obvious, or they're like really small. Like I'm not like gonna complain. Like it looks nice still. I mean, I'm complaining. And also, as a just regular gamer, nobody's gonna really care. It's just because one artist, I'm gonna like complain about it.
Weird.
Yeah. They do look very clickable.
I don't understand why he's not moving. Why is he moving? Or why is he not moving? Oh, I'm so stupid.
VFX.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm actually gonna revert all of this code, I think.
One thing I will say is that the sound for clicking it, I'm not the biggest fan of. Especially if you click it like really fast, it gets very like whooshy. It's not like awful, it's not unbearable. I just feel like it could be a little bit like snappier.
It's crazy. JW's like, yeah, I hate your game. Fuck you.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Bye. That's like exactly what he said, yeah. Yeah, no, this is actually like grossly bad. I don't know why my code is breaking like that, but I'm gonna revert it.
How do I go back?
It's okay.
Oh, I can zoom.
Oh, that's fire.
That is kind of cool.
Okay,
And I
love
like.
zooming
Oh,
around.
I see. I was expecting to left click the pan, but like this works too.
I keep looking over and I keep seeing that message that just says, "What's your preference in women?" And I think that's so fucking funny.
I'll if you try to find something else. Tried about 10. This one's the only one that I didn't want to silence it for. Yeah, that's fair. One thing I would recommend is if you have room on your computer, the GDC sound, they have a free sound pack every year that they release, and they've done it for like 10 years or something. So there's just like 100 gigabytes of just random sounds, and that's what I use for random stuff, like just all my sounds. It's really nice. Here, I can literally find it and send it so you don't have to go searching for it. GDC bundle, is this it? Yes, here it is. Yeah, and sometimes you'll have to like mix, a lot of times I'll have to mix sounds together and things like that. But another thing I've learned is that a lot of times you'll find sounds that are like labeled as one thing, but it works perfectly for something else. Like for the spray bottle sound, I used a mixture of like just a regular spray bottle, and then there was like a snowball hitting a wall or something like that I mixed with it, and it just sounded really nice and crunchy. Why does this one cost 291.60? Why is there a decimal?
Yeah, that's kind of fire. I fuck with that.
Kinda funny. Oh no, now I have a decimal number of orbs. Because rounding is boring. True. Maybe we should like... We should make the player's health a float, even though it's not... Even though it's like in chunks, you know? How much do you cost? 12,000.
Did you know that Super Mario 64 health bar is actually a lot more than just 8? Also, hello Cosmic.
I do like the how it's
Mario
kind of
has,
like a map that you can like scroll around. At first I thought it was just gonna be this one room, but then I was like, whoa, there's other stuff that you can do.
Why is Ant just sending like random ass symbols in your chat? Why is he summoning a fucking demon over there?
Warp?
And we have shared chat on. If you could not share demons in the chat until after I turn that off, thank you.
Oof, he disappeared, so I can drag this guy around. Ooh, this is fun. I like being able to drag him around. There we go.
Oh shit.
I want to be able to like drop him from up here. Oh?
Uh-oh.
He doesn't get assigned if I drop him. Ooh, shiny orb. I'm a big fan of the shiny orb.
The shorb. Yeah, like he can't pathfind to me, so he's not gonna. Okay, fair. Let's see. Wander, ground wander. LF.
Should cost another 1,000. Also, hello, Cosmic Sandwich.
Mr. Sandwich. Okay, does So that works. And now, even though he can't pass to me, he should like, yeah, he goes to attack anyways. Sick. Cool. Okay, yeah, we're gonna probably leave that there, I think, because he can't pathfind the player in this room, because this one specific room is fucked up somehow. I don't know how. I don't get it. I don't think I'm going to fix it.
One little thing is this. Oh, sorry. Is the sound that this
Yeah.
guy makes when he like pops in and disappears is a little bit louder than all the other sounds. So it's kind of a jump scare. That's just like the tiniest little thing. Like that sound right
Taking
there
the
is a
rest of
little
the day
loud.
since it's 1 a.m. What the hell? Why are we awake at 1 a.m.? That's so gross. I would never do that.
It was one of the newest sounds added. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Oh, actually, JW, I think I did something that you'll like. Let me kill this guy really quickly. God, that gun is so fucking loud.
Which one?
The op.
It's not. Is it?
It is
it really that loud? I don't remember it being that loud.
It was really loud. Like,
Oh, I
compared
forgot I had
let's
to drag this guy over.
I'll do pistol, and then I'll swap over to op. But op was, maybe it's just my ears right now. But
I think it might just be.
no,
your
it's like a
ears.
decent bit louder than the other sounds. I feel like. But one thing that I did was this. So if I had a bunch of dummies in, the shot goes through and will continue to hit the wall. So you talked about that.
Oh wait, what? Sorry, I'm busy clicking the orb.
It goes through and it continues, even if it only hits the.
Oh, that's much nicer. Yeah.
Yeah. And that works also. Do we have another hit scan weapon?
No, that's the only one right now.
The
Laser.
pointer, technically. Yeah, let me add some piercing stickers to it.
Yeah.
I added way too many for that. Whatever. I believe it would work on this one though. I believe this. Yeah, so this will continue going through. The laser pointer looks a little weird.
Got accepted
oh.
in Next Fest February.
That's cool.
Oh.
Maybe that doesn't work as well as I thought it did.
I think I'm in
Whatever.
Next Fest. I hit the button that adds me to
I
it
think I'm in
theoretically.
next fest. Well, we're not accepted. We're applied to.
Okay. Do you have
Like,
to
we're
get like
signed up for
accepted? I think it was just like a.
I think
You
so,
just,
yeah.
yeah, okay.
Oh,
thi-
did you change
think
the
you
color
just
of
registered
legendary to
for it.
rare?
Oh
Or to
yeah, it's a
red?
red. Yeah, because I didn't like the gold.
Okay.
It looked way too much
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
white.
Fair enough. It looks good. I just didn't. I was like, uh oh.
Yeah, I forgot I did
Did
that.
I break something?
I was
Somehow?
literally just like, I want to change this color. It was just like a random day.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do. All right. I want to do some cool stuff instead of working on this navigation again because I can always work on that off stream. So let's take a look at our list. What do we want right now? Of these, how much have you taken care of so far?
I got those two
Straight
cards
model?
there, yeah, and the shielding summon,
the
which is
shielding
the
summon?
rocks. Yeah, that's the rock.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I wanted
Martina
to.
with the highest health. Minus that.
I wanted to do the cards today. That's what was my plan, was to finish those up.
Mhm. Are there any of these that you think of that you would not know how to do?
The marking the enemy and the enemies in a certain radius take extra damage. The main thing is I just need to figure out how to change the values of like the enemies like health or like damage, like connecting into the damage taken on the enemies. I think you do that somewhere that I could probably just reference, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah, Cursed Skull does that. Like the double damage one.
Yeah.
Although that
So
would
I could
be
probably
more-
just look at
yeah,
that
yeah.
and figure out generally how you do it.
Oh wait, am I? Hold on. Health components. Are you?
This game is actually like kind of
doing
sick.
this? I think this is.
I'm usually not a
where,
fan of quicker games, so like
I'll change them.
this is pretty cool.
Damage received.
What's
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, there's a damage received event on the event router
Okay.
that you could hook into, and you can modify it. The slime also does that.
I think there's a
the-
missing frame on this animation. Yeah, maybe.
Slime.
There is, okay. Just want to make sure. I love the expanding rooms, it's so cool. Then it's not like always the same thing. I can just buy all of these, I'm rich. I guess I was supposed to buy that earlier, probably. Because like
Oh, yeah,
pretty
here we
much
go.
the only
Here we go.
clicker games I've played, it's like you have one thing you click and then like one menu that you open to unlock things. Even just like having different rooms and stuff, it's kind of fun.
Yeah. JW, can you take a look real quick?
Yeah, looking.
So there's this thing for the slime. Whenever he goes into shield break, he gets this node attached to him. And it just hooks into the damage received event and then limits it to 3 damage.
Okay. Yeah, so that's
So you can do
basically
something like
what
that.
I need to do for pretty much both of those are going to do the same thing where it hooks into the
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, the only difference is, like, I guess this thing would also keep, like, a reference to, like, the source of, like, whatever caused it. And then, you know, you could do, like, if source global position distance, you know, distance to, you know, whatever the fucking this thing is.
Yeah.
You know, you could check if that's less than 100. Then you can multiply it by 3. You know, something like that.
So
yeah,
again,
it would
I'm
be-
putting 8 hours a day on stream. Good luck.
We put in like 3 hours
A
3 times
week.
We put in 8 hours a week. Yeah. No, that's not true. I do stuff outside of stream, but
Depends on the week, but usually
Depends
a
on the
little
week,
bit
yeah.
more. We try.
depends on if Lorena's out right now or not. Okay. So of these cards, you think you've got those mostly taken care of? Stickers.
Stickers.
You're saying probably not something that this is probably going to be a me thing. I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay, I'll just put like a dash next to the things
Yeah.
I'm gonna be doing.
I would just say try to do the simplest ones first. Because as I said, I mean, obviously I'm not the one doing them, so I don't know exactly the best way to implement them, but from the ideas that I wrote down, I tried to pick mostly pretty simple ones. So hopefully they should not be too hard. And I can do art for all of those.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm mainly asking like which ones
which
you
ones?
want to do, so I'm not like if I went from like the top of
Yeah.
the list to the bottom of the list, I'd knock out the cards first, and then like
Yeah,
these are
yeah.
the things you wanted.
For relics,
These
I'm
relics.
just trying to see if there's any of those that I can
This
do.
one I'll do. This
Yeah.
one I'll do. This one. Probably that one as well. Honestly, okay.
Yeah.
Don't even touch the relics. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with
As I
these
said,
then.
most of the relics
Um,
are like they're pretty simple, but they're
Exactly.
doing stuff with like cards and stickers and things like that, which you've written most of, so like you know where all that stuff is. So
Yeah.
I would have to like go
Yeah.
in and look through all that. So, and if they are more complicated than I'm thinking they are, no worries if you don't get like a bunch of them done tonight.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm busy
Question for the
clicking my
decreased
orb.
accuracy but increases damage.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say that we have. Well, never mind. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Do we even have a damage property? We don't. That's funny. I'll have a look at those.
There should also be a sound when you pick up the experience orbs. Oh, skill tree. Yeah, I forgot that's a thing. I feel like the skill tree should be a little bit bigger. I kind of forgot that it existed. Maybe that's just a me issue.
Oh, we're using size property right now, which is a fucking problem.
It'll be much more interesting when I get around to it. Yeah, that's fair. I understand the it's in progress. It's not like perfect yet.
Does size property work right now?
Size property?
Like,
yeah.
have you noticed any weird issues with size property?
Nope. Why?
That's funny. Because size property is using the
Yeah.
wrong stuff.
Is it? What do you mean it's using the wrong stuff?
Because the other ones are like base properties, so they have like the multipliers and additive stuff on it.
Oh, interesting.
The size property is just a class that has a size variable on it. That's it.
Oh,
Which is fine because we haven't done anything with size yet. But whenever we do, it's gonna need a thing, which is fine.
what does the level do? Am I like dumb?
I'm assuming maybe it increases the amount of worshippers you can have, perhaps.
No, that's like a separate upgrade. I don't think you can upgrade it in like multiple places.
I spend like 8 hours in VC sometimes. Most times, yeah.
Oh, all my windows just. Oh,
Windows.
um,
Windows.
I don't know what happened.
Is that the game or is that your
Yeah.
computer?
It has a little frowny face in the top left corner. Here, I will minimize.
Oh, it
so
does.
I'm not flashbanging you. Right here.
Flashbang on my eyes.
Dog, this is your game.
Yeah, this is your
Your
game.
fault.
You coded that.
Wait, where'd it go?
What? Was there a mention of the engine, by the way? Was it actually Unity?
It
or
is.
was
Oh, sorry for the flashbang again. I was just
Oh
trying
shit,
to.
oh shit.
It didn't like minimize properly. Yeah, I guess it's just cooked. I don't know what happened. Well, I
Damn.
guess I have to work on my game.
Does it save? Does it save like local data? Like if you were to close it and reopen it, would it keep the information or not?
If not, that's fine. I'll
Should
play
do.
again sometime.
Okay, try it.
Should
Yeah,
okay.
give it a shot.
Well, let's see. Where is the link? Hello.
Just like go to your browser and hit like Control-Shift-N.
Nope, that's the thing that I sent. Oh, I know why it was working weird. Is because when I open it in here,
They resent the
It-
link. Oh, you found it. Whatever.
it opens in like a different browser, or like I think it opens in like a OBS browser.
Oh, were you
which is
playing it in a
probably-
fucking OBS dock?
Yeah, I think so.
That's
Let
funny.
me just open
That's
it in
pretty
like a
funny.
normal window. That's why I wasn't able to like resize it properly. There we go. Oh look, I have 2 notifications on itch. I haven't opened itch in like forever. Okay, let's see if it loads. Oop, I didn't want to full screen. Is there a way to make it like kind of full screen, but not like full screen?
Do we have designs for these? Like what we want them to be?
For
Increased
what?
accuracy, increases damage.
No, I have not thought of those, but
Okay. That's okay.
yeah, you can just make them one of the placeholder things. I will make art for them. Pin we do have art for.
Oh, I've just thought
What do I
about
do?
something. This.
Oh wait, the window size is
hmm.
I think I broke something. Well, is it because it's not full screen? It doesn't like that. Let's see. It might not
Sorry, I
say
just got
data-
here. Why did
data
someone ask you what your
across different
preference in women
browsers.
was? Don't worry, I'm thinking that I'm like, why the fuck was that the question? But it's pretty funny. Apparently JW said that their message beforehand was asking what my preference in men was, but they deleted it. So
Yeah, it looks like it might not save between
it saves
because it was
That's
I was using
funny.
the browser.
It's hashed to
I don't know what
It's
happened to the full
browsers.
screen. I think it was because I set it to full screen and then
wonder-
unset it to full screen. Yeah, it did save. Rip.
I wonder if Godot saves between browsers. I actually don't know. I don't know if
overall-
I'd imagine it has the right to browser local storage. So probably not.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. I'm trying to think. Really, the only thing that I didn't like was the mixels. which is probably a good
Listen
thing
to this
because that's like the littlest problem ever. Like it's such a non-issue.
motherfucker. Dude, I hate myself.
It could definitely use like a little bit more juice, but like there's nothing that's like, oh, this is bad.
I need to add a new class.
I really like the kind of like interactability of like opening up rooms and like moving, dragging guys around. You've 40 days though, I'm happy. That's really good for 40 days. I didn't realize it was that short. Okay. So now I need to work. I have 10 years of dev experience. Okay. I have like 2.
Let me just copy all this.
Bitlytic has like 1.
What?
Yeah, like 1 year of experience.
Yeah, I've never dev'd. This is my first project I've ever worked
Yeah.
on.
Thank you for playing way past the point I should be asleep. Well, have a good night. It was very fun.
Can I do this? This feels wrong.
Bro got a orb Twitch emote. What the tuna? We need a Dante Twitch emote.
For a second.
Maybe I'll just play Counter-Strike.
Is anyone a partner on Twitch that wants to? Do you want to give up one of your sticker slots on Twitch so that we can have a Dante's emote? We'll subscribe to you.
You know, I could just chat. Like, I don't know.
You could go affiliate mode.
Yeah.
You could.
I could.
It's your call. I'm not taking ad breaks though.
Wow, this guy hates me.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah. Type shit. Okay. All right.
My bad.
That's enough out of you.
JW so close to Twitch partner though. This is so true. Oh, I should resume my music now that I'm not playing a game. You know what I'm saying, twin? Okay, so I made the blank. Now I need to mark the enemy with highest health. So how are we gonna do this? I'm just gonna call this enemy mark.
Does this work the way I want it to? Let's find out. What is this? This sticker doesn't like have like a design to it yet, does it?
Which one?
Like any of these? I mean, I guess like
the pin does.
But like,
yeah, the others don't.
Okay.
It's you can just use one of the like placeholder ones that we have.
I'll just call it like Berserk sticker for now or some shit, and we'll find out.
For now, dog, it's gonna be in the final.
It's gonna be changed eventually. No, it's gonna be changed. Surely.
Yeah, surely. The energy drink card is still called card speed.
Shut it, you. They don't need to know that. No, dude, I won't save the script that doesn't actually exist. Goodbye, Godot. Welcome back, Godot. Welcome back, Sethling here.
Who?
Ow. Also, there was a Master Liberty was somewhere in chat, and I kind of.
Oh, hi, Master Liberty. Can
Why
you
did
add?
you say it like that?
Can you add Titanfall 2 movement to Dante's line, please? Thank you.
That's so insane that you were like, "Hello, Master Liberty."
What's the easiest way to get all the enemies in the room? I mean, I guess I could just be like, level manager room,
What the
enemy,
fuck are you saying, dude?
I don't know.
What the fuck are you saying? Just stop making noises and just like
Sorry.
talk.
Sorry.
All right. So what's your query? What's up?
How do I get all the enemies in a room?
In a room or just in general?
Yeah.
Well, you want all the enemies that are currently
yes
in the tree, I would imagine, right?
Oh yeah, but like in the current room.
So-
Because like, what if there's enemies
Yeah,
in the
the
tree
current
that
room
aren't
is
in the
the
current
tree.
room?
Well, then they wouldn't.
Oh
I
wait,
don't know if you know how the tree works in
yeah,
Godot.
I might be stupid. I know how the tree works.
It's okay.
Wait. Get. Is it what? Get.
Yeah.
Objects.
The tree.
Get tree.
The tree.
Dot.
Mhm.
Get. Nodes in group.
Oh shit.
I got it. Enemy. Let's go. I did it.
Wow.
Let's just print them out to make sure it's working.
Sorry.
Oh,
My fault.
okay.
I didn't mean to. I did mean to,
win.
by the way. Compound.
And then we will be
Sticker.
free because we don't need you anymore.
Oh. Sorry, what?
Also, hello, Meowj.
I don't understand.
What is that cat emote from? I want it. Oh, I guess I have to make a resource before I can open it, you know? Twin. It's a hype train emote. Oh, okay, that's tough.
I don't know why this does this. I actually have no fucking clue. I think it's because I'm doing this weird shit where I have it
Yeah, I think
here
so.
as like a sub resource. I'm just gonna not do that. Man.
What is this card? I don't know what I'm going to call it or what it's gonna look like, to be honest. What does that card do? It will mark the enemy with the highest health in the room, and they'll take extra damage.
This is true. Wait, does it not have... Oh no, sorry. Card sticker. All of this can go in there. Why is this being property not source soccer? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fine. This technically doesn't need to be this. This can be sourced. It's just some kind of object, I think. And it's gonna target.
Thinking. What would this card be? Oh, okay, we're calling it Mark.
Oh no. Oh, I just thought about something. You don't know how cats work, do you?
They have like an engine,
You know
right?
what's... Yeah, do you know what spraying is?
Like spray bottle?
Nope.
No.
So cats like to mark their territory.
Mm-hmm.
And specifically male cats do it a lot by spraying, which is technically Dante could be doing that, I guess.
No.
I'm just saying, like, there are people in your Discord that have asked for that.
What do you mean? Where?
What the fuck is the person whose name in your Discord is #1 pee enjoyer?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
Yeah, you forgot about that one, just, you know.
Wasn't that Axel? Pretty sure
Is it Axel? It might be Axel, yeah.
I think they changed it.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
But I think because they have their speedrun time now.
I see. Like, I don't know why this has a custom fucking thing on it. I don't know how you ever got your own custom script, but whatever, I guess. This doesn't... Okay, are we good? Does everything work? I'm gonna reload the project and have 8,000 errors? Probably.
500 errors.
500 errors. Alright, so if I were to look at this, if you have your own extra script, you do. Get the fuck out of here, dude. You're ruining the vibe, and it's pissing me off. Compound stat sticker. Berserk sticker. Do you have... Yes, I hit add upgrade. Yay! Okay, cool. I wish I could change the way that this serializes. JW, I want your input on this. Let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking.
So normally, whenever we have an upgrade to something like attack speed, we have the attack speed property type of multiplicative additive and then the amount. So for this sticker, this one is doing two things. It's changing the accuracy and it's changing the damage. So my thoughts were, sorry, there's a cat in my lap now. Hold on. Hello, Callie. So this needs to change two properties, correct?
Yeah.
My thoughts were to create a version of the upgrade class that is able to do multiple upgrades at once. Thoughts, prayers?
Yeah, that works. Yeah. I don't see why that...
Okay. Because I can either do it... there's a couple ways that I can do it. So I can either do like this, where whenever you want to add one, you just click like add upgrade and it tosses a new thing. Or it can be like a dictionary that maps the property... what is it? Base property to...
I think the first one's fine.
Okay, because I can also do that where...
I don't think
whatever.
it really matters either way, but first one
Not
sounds
really,
like
it's...
it works, so...
Okay, I just wanted to make sure, just in case you had any strong feelings about whatever.
Nope.
Okay, sick.
The first thing that I was thinking was that you just make like a custom script for it, but like... Yeah, it works.
No, because I imagine we're going to have a few different stickers that are going to be increase this, decrease that, increase this, decrease that, and so on. What's with that for the roadmap? This is Obsidian we are using. Big fan of Obsidian. Sorry, what were we? Damage, property, and God, what was the other one? Accuracy.
Why is this not working? It's not printing out any enemies.
What are you doing? Did you give the card the scene?
I think so. Yeah. I did.
You should print out just in general. Like, oh, because it's a capital E because it's case sensitive.
Why is it
Yeah, that's
capital
why I don't
E?
like using strings that much. Just because, yeah.
Me asking why it's capital E, knowing I'm the one who made it.
Yeah, you definitely did. I might actually, now that you've mentioned, now that I've seen that, I might just make like a helper method instead of like level manager to get the list of current enemies. That way I can automatically convert them to enemy base as well. That way you don't have to do any of the checking or whatever. Do you know the kind of idea of like how much we want to change this by the way? Like, what do you think? Well, I guess what would be decreased accuracy? Like, what are we? What is this exactly? Like what would the value be?
Is the accuracy? Like,
yeah, okay. So we can quantize damage. If we say multiplicative upgrade and it's 2, that means we get 2 times the damage. But for accuracy,
yeah, just do
what's the value? So what is 2 times, or like what is half accuracy?
You would just increase the half accuracy would be you just double the spread.
Do we want it to affect something that has no spread?
Yes.
Okay, and what would we do then?
That's a good question. I would just make it like 5 or 10 or something.
I'm also trying to think about like what would be accuracy. I'm also thinking about like what would this value represent, because we can either do it where higher value means it's more accurate or higher value means there's more variation. And I don't know which one makes more sense.
I think higher value means more variation. So like 1 would be like normal accuracy, 2 would be half accuracy.
Okay. Just like reversal then.
Yeah.
So if you wanted something to be more accurate,
you would make it smaller.
You would add an accuracy property instead of to like 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
I don't know. I feel like you could make it either way. So that doesn't matter. Just pick one.
It does, but yeah.
Either way, I'm going to get confused on which one it is.
Yeah. I just thought about something that's not evil, but it's actually like kind of cool. Is for upgrades like this, like these properties, I could actually add like a way to have a description for them, and then display those in the editor so that if we want to know what a property does, we can look at a glance. I might add that at some point. I'm actually going to toss it to do down here. It says to do add a description. Displays. Cool. Color? What is color for? I don't remember what this is for.
That's for the text color.
Oh, the text. Yeah. It's gonna be a red.
I don't know how this works. The
What are you trying to do?
skull thing. I just copied the skull thing and I'm trying to figure out what it does. What it's doing.
Don't copy the skull thing. Copy
Oh, okay. Oh, right, the
Um,
slime. The slime, yeah.
Yeah, the slime is like way simpler because you're attaching it to something, right?
Yeah, and what is it? Slime.
Shield break handler, I think it is. Or sorry, damage reduction is the actual script that's being attached. Shield break attaches damage reduction.
Let's see.
Yeah, so most of that. I mean, you won't need like the target stuff because you can just use like
Yeah.
source or whatever the fuck we have in card abilities.
Oh, so wait, so this is what would get attached to the enemy itself.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to make a new scene for this one. I mean, I guess I could put them both in the same thing and have it reparented to the enemy, but no, I won't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, and then you can also, for getting the health, by the way, whenever you're looping through the enemies, you can get the health component of each one and check against their health or max health or whatever you want to do.
Queen attachment. I don't know. What do I call this? Enemy mark. Component.
Just enemy, like, yeah, just enemy mark.
Well, the other one's called enemy mark.
Oh, I don't know, man. I wouldn't call it a component. Component's more of like a.
Here, I'll call this one enemy
whenever
mark
you're building
ability.
something out.
And then we'll rename you.
That's funny.
What's funny?
Rendering is default. Criteria is default.
What's so funny, twin?
What is this? What? I guess this is anything, right? This is any weapon. Well, no, this wouldn't be any weapon. This would be specifically ranged weapons. And thrown and hit scan.
Yeah. I guess thrown would count, maybe.
I wonder if, no, that's not going to work, actually. Card. Oh my god, how am I doing this? God, my brain is like not working right now.
Yeah, the thing is...
Instance.
Yeah, okay, never mind, I'll let you figure it out. You got this.
Damage. Okay, yes, this is doing some shit. What I'll do is I'll say damage. Property. And... oh. Why are you pissed? Oh yeah, I know why you're pissed. Because of this. I'm gonna be output damage. Because I like rounding things up. And then here I'll also do... well... no. That's based on specific things like the gun ability. Or... fuck, where's spread happening? Is spread happening inside of this?
Good. Yeah, it's
angle. Yeah, okay, it is. Offset angle, shot direction. Direction is that.
Yeah, spread's weird. You also have to do it on the auto turret as well. Don't forget about that one. Since it uses a different accuracy thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where did I save this? Oh.
Angle variance. Angle variance? What the fuck is angle? Oh, this is the card property, I see.
Oh, you wrote it.
Yeah, dude. Like, before I wrote other things. I've slept since I fucking wrote this code, dude. It's been too long.
Win.
I wonder if that'll work. That might just work. Which would be kind of cool. Let's go ahead and add, what's something with not a lot of spread? I think the pistol starts with pretty low spread. Yeah. Oh, oops. I do think that we have a very important thing that we're going to have to bring up at some point, which is the fact that we are using Boy Kisser as a placeholder texture way too much.
I mean, that's just you.
Oh shit, wait, that fucking worked without me even... I didn't mean for that part to work. I forgot about the automatic updating of, like, the text and shit.
Oh, does it? That's cool.
That's actually crazy. Oh shit, he's large. Oh, you like applying upgrades, don't you? Oh, there's a lot of him now.
It's gonna do
yeah, that looks like that works to me. I don't know
how the
damage
card
this
looks
card
exactly
does.
the same because he's pretty much just black
Why
and
is it-
white.
Why is it 70? Oh, because this is a pistol and this one is a rusty pistol. I see.
Yeah.
Clip that. Oh, you like applying upgrades, don't you?
Don't clip that.
I'm gonna show this to JW's parents, and they're gonna be like, "You're not allowed to work on Dante's 9 anymore." And give him a little mustache.
Little mustache.
Oh shit! No, it got filled in. He no longer has a mustache. Fuck! It's like he shaved one side of it. Cool. Okay. And then let's see. Does this actually work? So like, console.print initial spread. Rad to dig. Spread radians, and then changed spread. So it starts at an 8-degree variation, and then it goes up to 16. So it is half as bad, which is fine, I think. Yeah, that looks right to me. Yay! Okay, cool, that works. And then this one's fun because it goes from an initial spread of 5 to a spread of whatever that number is, with a lot of digits, like a quadrillion or something. Definitely more than that. Big Boy Kisser. JW, do you have me on your screen right now?
Yes.
Okay.
I do now. Why?
Oh, I didn't know if you meant to or not, because Meowj just said Big Boy Kisser, which made it sound like my stream was the one on your screen.
No, I don't know.
Okay. Meowj just knew. Honestly, fair. You could just feel it.
You had it up. I mean, yeah, I did like for like a couple seconds earlier. It was like a while earlier though. Yeah, it's just like a little slow.
Yeah, thank you for connecting the... No, I understand what Meowj is saying. Thank you for connecting the thoughts. Meowj, JW didn't. Because JW also could have just said, oh, I had it up earlier when I was showing. Let's see. So that sticker is done. Minus the art. Pin. This one's going to be an interesting one. So let's say that someone has more than one... Okay, so if someone has 5 cards with pin, do we want to... We have 2 ways of doing this. We can either deal all 5 of them, or we can deal as many cards up to that hand size, and then the next pin card will be the next card drawn. Which one do we want to do?
I'm not sure. I feel like it should just draw all of them, but maybe that's a little insane.
We can try both.
But I feel like that would be a really fun build to do, where you just have pins on all your cards and you just draw all of them at once.
Oh, dude! Wait, no, it's the fucking the steel card, the Baron high card steel Balatro run, where we're gonna have a sticker that pins a card, and we're gonna have a sticker that makes it so if you have the card in your hand, you have extra damage and then
Yeah, you do like
everyone's
extra
gonna
damage
run
for every
pin.
card in your hand.
Yeah, like pin and stacking damage, and then they just like walk up to things and smack them with the default attack, and it does like 1,000 damage. All right,
I
I'll
guess
do
we
that.
have to do that then.
Yeah, we gotta. Goodbye, Callie. Yeah, I said goodbye, Callie. Oh my god, my legs hurt now. Large cat. Not fat, but large.
Did you add a damage property, or do we still not have a damage property?
Added a damage property.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a multiplier?
It is a multiplier, yes.
Okay, sick.
Is that what we want?
Yes. Because I wanted to use the damage multiplier for other things than just, like, changing the damage.
Mm-hmm.
Like, for example, on this, I would want to have it change, potentially, have it change the multiplier.
Oh, well.
So, like, the enemy mark would deal, like, 1.5 times damage.
Oh, okay,
and
I
then
see what you're saying.
You would deal
Yeah.
20% more of 1.5 times damage if you added a damage sticker.
Yeah, so that actually doesn't... let me think. Hold on.
I mean, for that, we just had to write a custom thing to multiply the damage multiplier by the damage property.
Yeah, so you asked if it was a multiply, like if the damage was multiplier. That is like for weapons. If you're writing a custom thing, it can be anything. Like if you wanted it to be so that it adds whatever the number is, it could just do that.
Yes, as long as there's like a damage multiplier that I can get, that's fine. Like a damage property.
Yeah, I mean, there's
that's
always
yeah. That's just what I wanted to check because I didn't know if we had that or not.
Yeah, I do have to set this set to additive so that if you were to add like 4 of these, it would only increase the damage by 80% rather than increasing it by 20% and then increasing that increased amount by 20% and so on. So it doesn't like scale all the way up to infinity. But I don't know if I
see.
Holy shit! Cosmic Sandwich Cat just followed JW.
Cat has followed me. Whoa, I'm like
Finally.
famous.
Oh no!
What the Fortnite?
Damn, bro, that's crazy. It took you that long to follow JW. I really
That's
don't
crazy.
blame you. Meow just said thank you for the follow. Bro's running the stream. Honestly, kind of based.
Why is there a clip in my Discord server? Why'd you send a
Yeah,
clip
is it
of
about the
Biddy's
voices
stream in my Discord server? You gotta put it in Biddy's server. Put that straight into general.
Don't put that in my
Put it in
server.
general. Put it in general.
No, there's evil people in my server.
I'm posting it in general. I'm posting it in general.
No, there's evil
I'll
people in my
forward
server.
it.
Don't do that.
Too late. I already sent it. Don't worry.
Damn. Evil.
Okay, fine. Cosmic, I'll delete it so you can send it. So you can have the privilege of sending
I
it.
think.
There you go. There you go.
I'm thinking about how I want to do this. Because I... Because like if I wanted to be like cheese as fuck, I could just like have a pin property, and even though it's gonna have a multiplier, I could just check if it exists, and if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But like that feels wrong, you know? Although, wait, no, we have modifiers, don't we? Hold on. Do cards still have modifiers? Do these still work, actually? That's the next question I should ask. Holy fuck, they still have modifiers. Do these work?
What have modifiers?
Cards. Oh my god. Wait, these might actually...
They what? They what?
They don't do anything, do they? No, they fucking do. I forgot I added that. Holy shit. Wait. Hold on. What are you?
What is bro doing?
Hey, you're a card modifier. Wait a minute. Yeah. What the fuck? These are like doing almost the exact same thing. Why are they not? Whatever, dude. I don't. Oh no, this is. Sure. I don't care enough. Modifier. If this is that. Script. A script is GA script. Oh, I know. Yeah, this was before I figured out how I wanted to do components. I remember this. Yeah. I think now I would rather write this as something a little different. Yeah. Whatever. I don't feel like rewriting that. You're gonna stay there.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah. You can definitely write this better, right? Like,
Yeah, you can definitely write that better. Twin.
yeah, it's just, yeah.
Yeah.
Default and instance has modifier type, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, did you use GDQuest to learn GDScript from zero? I did not.
I did, actually.
I've heard a lot of good things about it. Okay, ask him about it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I just knew other programming languages, and kind of
I tried it, and
knowledge
it
to
was
move into
helpful,
GDScript.
and then I learned Python, and then I figured it out from that. Okay, so this works, but it's not dealing double damage. Why is it not dealing double damage?
What's that?
The enemy mark itself.
Hmm.
What am I doing
Oh, if
wrong?
are you still streaming? You are. It's like fucked up and evil though. Your stream is like hella laggy on my end.
Oh, weird. Okay, well it could be...
Oh. Yeah, I see why it's not doing double damage.
Why?
So what is your damage received? What is it doing?
This is multiplying it by the damage mult.
Okay, and the damage mult is...
It's 2 because I'm setting it in here. Because it's setting
okay, I'm gonna have to wait for it to... Okay,
Mark damage mult is equal to damage mult, which is a card property, which is set to 2.
Okay.
Oh,
you should
wait.
print that
It's,
out when inside of your screen. What's up?
it shouldn't it's wait, no. Never mind. I was thinking it.
I don't know. Your
Yeah,
stream
this
is like
should work.
very like
I can stop
takes a few
and
seconds for it to
restart
update on
and see
my...
if that helps, but
Yeah, I think it might be a it might just be like an internet issue.
it probably
To be
is.
honest with
But
you.
yeah, I don't know why it's not.
Yeah, I mean, I would go into the... Let's see what the value is. Like, go into the script and then print out, like, on damage
Yeah, I
receipt, you
guess
do,
I
like,
can
console.print, like, damage mult.
I hate printing things.
Mm-hmm. You love the Dante's 9 demo? Thanks! We're hoping to make it better before it needs to be released.
Yeah.
You're learning C# now, trying to do GDScript because you like Go, but the C# version is so confusing. The C# version's fine. Ugh, I hate the extra build time, to be honest. That's like my main issue. Every time I press run, it takes like a few extra seconds for it to build the environment or whatever.
Can't see. Okay, cool. It's not actually doing anything.
Did you...
I'm hitting him and nothing's running.
You're hitting them. You know what there's a decent chance of, actually?
So
There is a very large chance of that, actually. Enemies don't have event routers.
oh, why didn't you say that before?
Because I forgot about that. And it's fine. We can just add that. You can just... If you don't mind, you can just go to each of the enemy classes and add event router.
How do I do that?
As just like go to the enemy class or like the enemy scene or whatever, and then control A event router, enter, and then so on and so forth.
Oh, it doesn't much work.
Or we could add it as part. Yeah, or we could add it as the base enemy class and have it just automatically add one. But that might not be that bad. Maybe.
I'm gonna copy paste it because it's easy.
Yeah.
I just
enough.
go through all the enemies.
Fuck, what do I do? Oh my god! I feel like I just blacked out and woke back up. What the hell am I doing?
What the hell?
What the hell, on?
It shouldn't. Should it work on the boss? I just realized. I guess it depends on if the boss is technically in the enemy group.
He is in the enemy group, yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
How do we work on the same project together? We do Git, which allows us to, I guess I can show this because it stores like the changes that you make across different files. Like you can see this is what the file looked like, and then here's the new code that I added, and we can commit that up, which just says, you know, add this code, and then we can push it so that the other person can then pull that change on their side. And this also handles, as you can see, sounds, non-code files, you know, even though TSCN files are kind of code. Binary files and, you know, whatever else you need. So it's not like a real-time thing, but it's collaboration. Oh my god, I'm moving weird right now.
I'm putting it on a dummy because the dummies don't have enough things that actually work. Actually, that won't work because they're not in the enemy group, but you know, whatever, I don't care. I'm still putting it on a dummy.
There we go. Looks hard to set up. It's not. It's mainly... the main thing that's annoying is learning it for the first time, and then after you learn it, it kind of becomes a lot more of like second nature.
This is true.
Because it is something that you just use throughout, like this isn't like a specific to Godot thing. This is something for everywhere. And also this is just Visual Studio Code, which is the Git client I use. Could you pull up GitHub Desktop actually, whenever you get a moment? Okay. There we go. So this is what he uses. This is over on his screen right now.
It's so easy. I literally I type in my thing here, and then I push this button, and that's literally all I do.
Yeah. Ignore the fact that his stream is refreshing at like once a minute.
Yeah, ignore that one.
Yeah.
The worm desperately needs to be remade.
Which worm? Oh, the enemy worm?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
It also bothers me how he doesn't take knockback. Which I guess kind of makes sense, but I don't know.
I'm creating a new node. Sorry. Oopsies. Nope, not a new script. Oh my god, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you know about which class you're supposed to be? You don't. Okay, sick. That's all I needed to know.
But yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, how is that enemy mark gonna work with the boss? Is it just gonna always be on the boss? Because now I'm thinking maybe it should be time-based, so it only lasts for a period of time.
Oh, you know what? That's gonna be a fun one as well.
What? There we go. See, look, he's taking double damage now.
Yeah, I can definitely see that. So is there going to be some sort of display on it that shows that it's going to take double damage?
Yeah,
like
there's going to be like a little
marked.
marker. As you can see, there's a little marker on him right now. It's just a placeholder, but
I cannot see it actually.
Okay.
Because your stream is every few seconds. Like the time right now is 23 seconds on the speedrun timer.
Oh, that's fair. Let's just not do that one.
Oh, your game crashed. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, because it was trying to add the worm. But I had casted it to a enemy base, but the worm isn't actually an enemy base, so I'm not going to cast it to an enemy base.
Yeah, you can just, I mean, it doesn't need to be an enemy base.
Yeah.
You can just you can pluck the health component off of it.
Yeah.
What am I doing here? I'm like sitting here doing nothing. What are you? Where are you? Who are you? Is this a resource that actually exists anywhere? Stickers, attack speed, berserk, bounce. I feel like I created a sticker, but it's just not.
Oh.
Whatever, dude.
Invalid access to property. Ew.
You're not null checking, are you?
I am, but like...
No, you're not.
Am I not?
Well, you're doing
Nice.
you're doing the util get component highest health component, but if it doesn't have a health component, it's gonna fail when you do dot health.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what do I do about this?
What do you mean? What do you do about it? So you pull out the health component to a variable, and then do if health, and then if it doesn't have a health, then you don't include it.
Yeah.
Tempuricat, is everything that GD Quest teaches you GD script can be directly applied to a Go project? Just
most of it.
Yeah, you got it.
I've only done like I haven't done any of his like courses. I've only done like the little web app thing that he has for learning GD script, and that mostly just teaches like the fundamentals of like the programming stuff. Not really like game specific stuff. It's more just like the underlying things like variables and nodes and loops and things like that. So yes, but it's more like the lower level principles than like, oh, here's patterns on how to make more complicated things. If that makes any sense at all.
Let's see if this works. Open. Always draw a card at the start of a room. Color. I don't know, man. Like some sort of light, something. This yellow, sure.
That's
Do we have
gold.
a pin?
I do.
All right. Do we have a pin texture? You do? It's
Which
not
one do
something
you
in the
like?
project
Which
currently.
one do you like, left or right? I'll zoom in so you can see.
The left one. Yeah, the left one. Probably.
Left one. Okay, I like the right one better.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll just surprise boy kisser.
Okay, I can just add it in when
Yeah,
you push it up.
surprise boy kisser.
Yeah, of course you do. Yes, but I would think
What?
the fundamentals are the foundation of it. Yes. So it's like a good start. It's not like you will need some other stuff.
You will need help.
Probably. Funny thing is, you don't need tutorials, and you shouldn't learn at the aim to make tutorials your basis of going about things. More or less, yeah. But it also depends on the person. It's annoying because you like kind of, at least I felt like I needed tutorials until I like got it, and then it's like, oh wait, I don't need tutorials anymore. And then you just kind of like look up the things that you don't know.
Okay, that works. Let's fucking go. Kind of, it works.
Some sort of help you like how to navigate the engine. Yeah, just like really basics. Like if you don't know like the most basic things, it's like just messing around is gonna mess things. Like you're not gonna get anywhere just by messing around if you
Some
don't know
tutorials-
how to mess around.
Some tutorials are also just straight up wrong. You are
This is
correct, Vaughn.
true.
Some tutorials do just straight up say the most
Yeah.
wrong shit imaginable and say, here's what you do if you want to do this. And then they just lead you down the most
Quiz.
fucking...
Sorry.
What? What did you say?
Sorry. I was saying quiz.
I don't even fucking know what you said.
Quiz makes some interesting
you fucking-
choices sometimes in his tutorials.
Oh, did you say
They
quiz?
work.
I thought you said
They
did.
work.
I thought you were fucking... Nah, I don't know. I haven't watched his tutorials, so I
His
don't...
tutorials
I'm not
work.
able to be the
They're not
judge.
always the best way to do things. But hey, if you're trying to get things to work, then
I mean, I'm
who
sure...
cares?
Yeah, I mean, there's enough people to watch, so I'm sure that he's got...
Yeah.
Yeah, I just haven't watched him because a lot of the stuff he covers is like a little bit more of the basic stuff.
Yeah.
which is like stuff that I don't.
And also, like, it's not like
Really
there's really
helpful.
any wrong way to do things.
No, not outdated, just straight up misconceptions. Yeah, no. Yeah,
There's a lot of those too.
some tutorials do just have wrong information. Unfortunately, in Decor, like some tutorials will just genuinely be just baffling wrong. Also, he uses a sprite.
Yes, I use
Just
a sprite, which is very
Also,
good.
what do you mean meow? How do you find the bit to your JW? You want a programmer for your game? Is that what you mean?
Nah, he just wants a cool friend that plays Rivals.
That's not. I'm the programmer for your game, first and foremost, and then I'm friendly with you because it benefits our business partnership.
Okay, bro.
Let's see. Shuffle.
Hello?
Shuffle deck. What's up? What's good?
Oh, I'm a moron.
Yeah.
Wait, why did it work the first time? Oh, duh. I'm stupid.
Let's see.
Guess I'm
Is this
find
called-
someone
this
that'll
is called
stick around.
server,
You think
right?
Biddy? You think Biddy's gonna stick around after Dante's 9? He's just gonna disappear.
Yes, sir.
Gonna be like, I want to make a traditional roguelite now.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna
You're
go
right.
make that, and then he's gonna make like $3, and he's gonna be like, please let me back in. I want to
Yeah,
make
that's
a real
definitely-
roguelite.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, there. Oh, this needs to be active or inactive because I only want this to do this whenever it starts the room. Font. Is restock still a thing? Restock is still a thing that I'm calling. I just don't know what the fuck. God, that glass was ugly. I'm not looking over there again. That was gross. So I guess what I can do is I can go here and set this to an active flag. True. And then like card or deck.gp. I really don't want to just like I don't want to just like hard code this, but I think I might need to for something like this. Shuffle deck. Draw is discard.duplicate. Shuffle the discard. I guess I could do a sort on this, right? Hold on.
Okay, I am making a little bit more balance by making it that if there's multiple marks on the same enemy, it'll only be additive. So it won't be like 1.5 times 1.5 times. It would be 1.5 times plus 1.5 times.
I want to play League of Legends.
No. You have to wait till you have to wait till at least 9 o'clock when the Counter-Strike weeklies reset. Okay.
I want to play the arena so bad. Fuck. Actually, I probably will play League of Legends after this, to be honest.
And I will play Counter-Strike
Sorry,
after
everyone.
this.
Sorry, everyone. Let's see. Pin modifier. Well.
Does that not actually work? I don't think that worked.
Wait, I might be stupid. I'm so fucking dumb. I'll put this bitch in here. Wrong place. Pin modifier.
That's a 6.
I will add a var active.
Additionality.
True.
Wait, is it 3
Can I make a
times
top-down
2 is
pixel
6.
restaurant? Holy shit! What in the fucking diner dash? That goes hard. Goobers. Every artist wants a Billidick.
Oh wait, no, I want
Probably
to do
not.
this -1 because damage mult.
Furry noodle looks furry and noodle shaped.
What?
You heard him, furry noodle. You're getting fucking your noodle shaped.
Tempura noodle. That's not how tempura works. When I'm not a noodle.
Can you have tempura noodles actually?
I mean, if you tried hard enough, probably.
Wait, hold up. I'm looking this up now. I'm curious. Tempura noodles.
There we go. Now it's doing the right amount.
I don't feel like tempura noodles would be a good idea because it's usually just the noodle served with something tempura style, like the batter. Yeah, no. I'm looking up tempura noodles and it's just pictures of like fucking udon with tempura shrimp on it.
Did you see the
We
cat
need-
stickers that I got?
Nope. The world needs more tempura food, by the way, that isn't shrimp.
Yeah, I'd agree.
I do not fuck with shrimp.
Oh, I like it, but
You would. And that's the problem. Ooh, that's a fun one, actually. Oh no, I guess that doesn't matter, does it? Not really. Well... Question, JW.
good.
You know how we are... Don't do that. You know how we are using the slot machine and it like puts random stickers on it?
Uh-huh.
Are those are just pure random stickers, I'm assuming?
No,
Like
they're
any of the stickers that can be
they
put on it?
apply. Yeah, it's any sticker that
Yeah,
can be
so
applied.
it's pure random of those.
Oh, I don't know, probably.
What do you mean probably? You wrote the code, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fair.
Saying like that means anything.
Because I'm like, this would be kind of funny if the sticker that you get on a slot machine card is pinned because it just doesn't do anything.
Yeah, that is funny.
Oh, sorry. Do I like Godot for its lightweight and like other engines like Unity where you can import your game to anything? So I don't know what fucking Unity you used, but Unity ran like shit on anything that wasn't my gaming rig. But I mean, kind of pick the engine based on like whether or not you like the feel of it, rather than, or like if it's gonna help you like do things. The main reason I picked Godot, obviously it being lightweight is a benefit. Honestly, it was actually quite a large benefit to start out with, because whenever I got like done with work or whatever and I wanted to do some game dev, if I booted up Unity, it would take me like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get in and start working on my project. With Godot, it's like a minute most at max, like which is nice. But ultimately the reason I use Godot is because I like the features that it has. I like how quickly it is to prototype things and how quickly and modular everything is. It's less about like Unity versus Godot, free open source, or like anything. It's like this is the engine. This is the engine I use because it's the engine that does what I want, mainly. Okay, sorry, what am I doing? Oh, I need to remove these from draw for card in cards. Draw dot remove or dot erase. Card, and then I also want to add How am I adding cards to hand? Am I doing draw card? Is that what we're doing? Is that the play? Draw card. Draw hand, try draw. Draw card. Add card. Add card. Oh yeah, you do just go into the hand, don't you? Draw to append card. Add card. Add temporary card. Does this and then draws the card. I see. I don't want it to do that, actually.
What did I do?
Yeah, I don't want it to. Move card to hand. Yeah. Yeah. Card instance. I want to do hand touch back. Card drawn, dodge.
Maybe I should make a mark into a blue card since I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4 green cards and only 2 blue cards. I love changing the design based on how many of the specific card type we have. Very good.
Sorry, what? What are you changing?
Probably need a, I want to change the mark to a blue card.
Fair enough. It is kind of like a buff, so that makes sense. What was it before?
It was green. Because with green, it would just last forever until you killed the enemy.
I see. Kinda. That doesn't make much sense, but I kind of see.
So for the blue, that means that it would be duration based. So it would last for a period of time.
Okay, and green means that it's a permanent thing?
Yes. Green is just like a general buff that just applies a thing like once.
Well, Box isn't like a forever thing.
Well, like it's a one time. It doesn't last over
shit.
time. Basically, if it's a buff and it lasts over a period of time, it's a blue card. If it's a buff or some sort of thing that isn't a weapon that doesn't last over a period of time, then it's green.
Hey JW, can you do me a favor? Can you try out Box and tell me if it's working for you? Because I'm thinking that maybe I broke something at some point.
Hold up.
I'm thinking that something went wrong.
A little bit.
The funny thing is, I actually don't know when this happened.
It's really funny. I love how it just increases your speed.
Broke. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and then the platforms are broken now. I see.
Oh, that must have been what caused it. Is I accidentally used a box.
That's funny. I don't know what the fuck happened here.
You can only cancel it midair now, which is funny.
Yeah, I'm seeing that as well. That's weird as fuck. Okay, well that's... I'll take a look at that in a second. Let's see. Does this work if I go in here and say that I want Soul Dispenser to be...
Why do you jump so high when you're in the... It's so funny.
And I want Energy Drink to be pinned. And I want a box to be pinned, which means that every time I start a room I should see that. Oh no, I need to... is restock card called anywhere? Yes, but not where I want it to be. Is there anything inside of a room base that handles the deck? This shouldn't be in here actually. It will be, but it shouldn't be.
Sorry.
Okay, dude. I think that this works. I think that this works. Let's find out. So these should all be pinned, and if I go to a room and start it... Ooh. Hello there. I forgot to add a null check. My fault.
How good is the Godot docs? Very, very
How good is the Godox?
There's very nice.
Godot docs
There's
aren't
also
very good.
a way to search
Bad.
in
Okay,
engine.
you're smoking
Bon, we
crack.
might have to kill you. Sorry.
Let me catch up with chat real quick. No one hires Godot devs. Industry ignores them. Well, kind of. Yeah, they don't hire specifically for Godot, but they hire programmers. I know that there's a lot of dev companies that will hire specifically for engines like Unity or Unreal, but like, I don't know, like the general knowledge for being a programmer kind of transcends a lot of engines. It's sort of the experience. See also, oh, why so many people are hellbound turning their dreams into soul-crushing 9 to 5. Yeah, I also kind of feel that way. My programming for jobs and my programming for game stuff is like completely separate. A lot of Godot docs is definitely work in progress and missing a ton of info. A lot of functions are also currently completely undescribed. Yeah, that's true. Go ahead and compare that to, I don't know, Unity docs, Unreal docs, Bevy docs, or GameMaker docs, and then remind me how good the Godot docs are. They're really good, honestly. A lot of Unity docs where I open up a file, or I open up a page that's like, I don't know, like test move component, and then I open it up and it says, this is test move component. And that's it. And it's like, okay, sick, terrific. Like, yeah, I mean, Godot docs are not perfect, but like in terms of like, there's not going to be any good docs. But in terms of a game engine docs, it's probably one of the best. I mean, you can also search the docs inside of the editor.
Yeah, even just
Like, if
that,
I wanna
I
look for,
love
like-
so much. Just being able to like. Open
Yeah, like I want to
docs
find out
in
about
the editor.
raycast, so I can do like fuck. What is the where? How do I get the space state? Actually, it's off of just object, I guess. It's space state. There we go. Okay, what does this have inside of it? There's like something about raycast in here, or like intersect ray. Here we go. This takes in physics ray query parameters. Okay, sick. I can click on this. Okay, and I know how to do all of this, which is like terrific. And I really like this. And it also has integrated tutorials as well, or at least like links to tutorials. So you can see here, if I click this, it'll actually take me to the Godot docs page. That is just like a full-on tutorial on how you could use this in your game, which is like so much better than Unity or Unreal have. You don't like how when Godot releases a new version, the code syntax and different things change, making the programming language GDScript hard to keep up with. So that depends. GDScript, for the most part, doesn't change syntactic-wise breaking changes unless they specifically say that they do. Like Godot 4.5 release notes. So if I go over here to the Godot website, what you can do is you can just like Control F for like break, and it will mention like where things can break. You can also, okay, yeah, so they have this. So here are the things that break between the two different versions. And it's just like this method was replaced by this thing. You know, this thing was replaced by this thing. And a lot of these are actually not specific to GDScript. Like some of these, like these are in the C++ code, I'm fairly certain. This one is like, this mentions that none of these are actually breaking changes because it's optional. So like, these are not actually, it says breaking, it's not actually breaking for that. So a lot of it's not actually like huge migrations. Between Godot 3 and Godot 4, there was a huge migration because they upgraded the scripting language by a lot. But in terms of like a 4.4 to 4.5 or so on, like it's not even remotely like an issue. Also, Meowj, I do just use the in-engine text editor. I don't know if you were asking me or JW, but we both do.
Oh, Biddy, did you fix the thing with removing components?
Potentially.
Okay.
I think I did. I don't know if that is the reason that the box is fucked up, but I did something.
Okay. I was just
Which
wondering
is
because
pretty
I'm
cool.
adding components for the enemy mark, and it's going to be dynamically adding or removing them now that it's time-based.
Yes,
So I
yeah.
wanted to make sure that I can just free it and it'll work.
Yeah. Yep, the
Cool.
yeah, the box manager that you've got right there, like, should just automatically free itself. Like, not the box manager, sorry, the stone block.
Yeah. I know what you meant.
Yeah.
Win.
Thanks. To win. All right, bud. To the kennel with you.
No.
He's going to the kennel.
Sorry.
You need to make a new placeholder texture that is like Dante Kisser or some shit, so that
No,
we have like
I'm not doing that.
You're not doing that? Okay. All right. Who is accepting commissions for pixel art style? Pixel art in the style of Dante's 9. Who is it? Fess up. Which one of you will do it? Oh, that didn't work. Oh, shit.
You know, you have like a
errors.
server full of like 800 people that you can just ping and be like, but I don't want to ping. I can't add everyone.
You're full? Is this about commissions, or are you just like telling us the state of like how much dinner you ate? Is
Stuff.
Stop, JW.
What?
Fucking weird. You're so weird.
I'm not weird. I'm normal.
You're weird. You're weird as fuck. You're so fucking weird, man. No help here, no burst. Yeah, real. True. Fair enough. And such. Oh shit! Wait. Oh, JW.
Okay, that now works.
It works. It works. Hold on. Check this out. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Oh, oops, sorry. I need to actually up. I can probably change my start scene back to the actual level now that I've got whatever. So if I add auto turret, box, salmon storm, and slot machine, and I'm gonna go here. Auto turret. I'm gonna add pin, box. I'm gonna add pin. Oh, that's kind of funny that
Wait.
the pin sticker's a boy kisser. You like pinning stickers, don't you?
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Take the top, the fork, go open up the forge.
Mhm.
Scroll up.
I got you. What would it be?
Big bottom right.
This one would be this one, yeah. It's not gonna work.
Yes, it will.
Oh wait, hold up. Let me get the controller out. I think I can get precise placement with this. Fuck, it's scrolling the background.
It looks so goofy. Okay, we need a screenshot of this.
You like upgrading cards, don't you?
That needs to go on Twitter right now.
Anyways, so if I go to this room over here, actually, this is gonna be fun because I now have A lot of stickers with pen. I have 8
8.
of them.
5. Wait, 8. Yeah.
What do you mean 5? Where did you get 5 from?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I
5,
see, I
6,
see.
7, 8.
500 stickers.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That looks like 8 to me. All 8 drew.
That's pretty fire.
Fire. It's just a fucking assorted set of boy kisser shapes. My hand is oops all boy kisser.
And if you use them,
Wait.
it doesn't. It reduces the hand size. Yeah, it doesn't draw more.
Yeah, and it also won't.
Why is there a green orb
cause
floating
them-
around down there?
Don't worry
that's
about
the-
it. It's
That's at the
yeah, it's a
pathfinding.
draw thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because you have to draw things whenever you're pathfinding. Because oh shit, it's got the boy kisser on it. It's got the pin stick or berserk. It's got one of the two. Actually, I
It's
don't
got
know.
one of the two.
I don't know what that fucking card is.
I think it's
Yarn ball.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
That was unexpected. What sticker do you have on you, buddy? Or no, I would need to put this inside of...
Okay, well I need to
Oh,
keep
I can
working
do this.
because it's almost Counter-Strike time.
If input on this action is pressed, debug to console dot current card yarn ball. Okay, that's great. Stickers. Okay, it is berserk. I don't know why you have that. I didn't think you could have that, but apparently you can. Accuracy is not a thing that you have.
Well, you
in the
added it to the
slightest, so I don't-
throne.
Oh yeah, you're right. I did add it to the throne. Like
Goober.
the throne, like Dota 2 ancient. That's what Wilson calls it.
That's crazy.
Exclamation mark throne. Yeah, if you go to exclamation mark throne, never mind.
What?
What would you add to a throne if you had a throne?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah. The Dante's 9 throne is gonna go crazy.
Salmon Storm.
Does this draw all of them now? Yes, still. Okay, so we'll continue to draw these. Salmon Storm. I really don't know what the fuck is up with Dante and why he... Oh, shit.
Hmm?
Why did all of these get drawn again? I fucked something up. I fucked something up bad. Hmm.
What's the best way to make something that's the child of something not rotate with the parent? Like I want it to, when I put the enemy mark on something, if the enemy rotates, I want it to not like rotate with the
Set it
enemy.
to top level and just make it follow the position every frame.
Okay.
Because the other way that you would do that is by setting that object's rotation to, or global rotation to 0.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to do that every frame anyways.
Yeah.
There's a couple of ways you could do it, but I think the easiest is just
Yeah.
do that.
This works.
Also, if you don't mind, can you put your onreadies below your vars and your exports above everything else? Okay. Holy shit, this game gets fucking chaotic. Does it get fun? It might. Oh shit! Why did we do that? Oh! I know what's going on. I know I'm like stupid. Oops. And not active equals false. So what was happening was that it was continuing to draw cards even though it shouldn't. And now it should actually only draw up to your hand size, right? Whenever it shuffles. Yay! Yay! I don't know why this isn't detecting the player anymore. Oh. Hold on.
Oh, hold on.
I have to add an exception. Do you do
Try to think what the indicator should be for like what? Where the enemy is. It's like kind of arrow. Like this guy, but like smaller.
You guys fuck with Minecraft ARGs? Actually, have you watched? Did I ever send you those videos, JW?
Which one?
The Minecraft ARGs, like
I think I saw the
searching
one that
for
was
a
like
world that doesn't
popular.
exist.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, I watched that one. But I don't think I watched.
You watched that one, really?
I think I watched Ludwig watch that one. It was recommended to me. And I
Oh
was
my
like,
lord!
this
Wow,
seems like
that's
it could be interesting.
that's. I'm sorry, man.
No, it was still cool.
Beverly said it. I think I watched Ludwig watch that.
What? This guy hates Ludwig.
Sorry, my fault.
You know, he made Rivals of Aether too.
That's true by himself.
No, he had the help of Pirate Software, but we don't talk about that.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's why the game has so many furry characters. Is because of Pirate Software, but because the game runs so well is because of Ludwig. Yep,
This is true.
this is true. Yeah, yep.
Yep.
And
Yep.
ever since Pirate Software got like canceled or whatever, have you noticed that the last two characters were not furry like at all? We have a dinosaur that's made of metal and a wrestling ant. Like, yeah.
Took one for
Sorry,
the
let me
team.
pack it up. Did you say?
I said took one for the team.
Yeah.
Pirate
As if
Software.
that's not what you want out of fucking
No.
Rivals of Aether. Okay. I think I may have found out what was wrong with the box, which is good. Yeah, I did find out what was wrong with
Best
the box.
viewers, chat, go click on that
What?
link.
Did you say chat, go click on that link?
No.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh. Why would I do that?
Yeah, okay, so box works again. The issue was with the component clearing thing that I had done, because movement drivers actually automatically handle that, and so do input drivers. We just have, I'm just adding a thing that those drivers can say, no, I want to do this myself.
Yeah. I didn't hear a single thing you just said, but yeah.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Don't worry, I know, yeah.
Why don't they try scamming
sorry.
like the viewers instead of the streamer? Like I feel like you could get a lot more people by being
Cheap
like...
streamers at
cheap streamers.
Like, what do you mean? What are they gonna fucking scam? Are you stupid? They're not gonna buy viewers. Like,
I don't
the
know.
viewers aren't here to buy viewers.
But like the
Boutique
thing, what the thing
streamers, like
is there's like usually like
twitch.tv/.
one streamer, but like if it's a big stream, there's like a lot of viewers. So
Yeah,
like
no, you're right, dude. Fuck.
you could get a
They
lot
should,
more
like-
viewers to click on it before like a streamer would,
Mhm.
you know?
So what would you send if you were making a scam bot that sent a message in chat specifically to target viewers and not the streamer specifically? What would you make that message instead?
I don't know.
Because it's not cheap viewers, because they're watching a stream. They're not streaming. They don't give a fuck. Most people who are watching streams are not streaming.
I don't know, that's your problem.
That's not my problem. I'm not the one fucking doing. I'm not scamming. What do you mean my problem?
Maybe I should become a scammer instead of working on Dante's 9.
I don't think you're cut out for it.
This guy hates me.
I don't think you're cut out for it, man. You can't even admit that you're a gay furry, and you think that you're gonna have the heart to be able to fucking scam people.
We might have to kill you.
Kid Boga will call you, be like, "Hello, Sonny. I'm here to buy 1,000 viewers. I'll take 1,000 viewers for a Bitcoin." How much is Bitcoin worth right now? Damn. $92,000 per coin.
It's more dollars than I
Wow.
have.
Okay, am I... And sticker works. Here. Oh. Equipment shield, what is this? Are you doing this? Am I doing this? What is this?
That was when you equip an equipment, gives you a temporary shield.
Okay, a
That
temporary
one I
shield
wasn't
is in-
sure how to do. As in, you can absorb one attack. I don't know if it would show up on your health
Okay.
bar or if it would just be like something that like surrounds you.
Mm.
I was thinking it would
Okay.
be like just like the shields that we have currently, but like slightly different. Kind of like the special shield from Gungeon, except it's like a thing that gets added. That was kind
so
of
for
like
something
a-
like that.
just
We
a
could have like a little
base idea,
force
yeah.
field around the player, like the Sonic shield bubble thing.
Sonic shield.
You know what I'm talking
bubble
about
is
at all?
like a
You never played
crazy
Sonic, did you?
reference. No, I know what you're talking about.
Like I literally can't think of any game that's ever done that other than Sonic. Is the thing.
I mean, they have it in like Escape Rain.
Oh, you know what? You know what? Actually, I know a game that does it. Like
Rivals.
Rivals.
Yeah. Like, what do you mean you can't think of it? Rival Smash? Like, literally any game with a shield.
Or like well, like also League of Legends has like a
Yeah,
well,
literally.
mainly the thing with Sonic was it's a shield that like pops the second it's like hit, which League actually does have that. But yeah, we can do something like that, mayhaps.
Uh-huh.
Like, what would that look like? Uh-huh. Give me like a sprite 2D. Yeah, I love being regular and normal.
The main thing that if it's not a like actual shield in your health bar, the main thing I'm not sure what to deal with is attacks that like go through, like melee attacks.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how are you gonna stop that?
What do you, I don't fucking know, man.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, no, yeah. So, no. So what you do is you stop it at the source of like as the player's about to take damage, you don't like delete the projectile from the world. You go, yeah, dude, you hit something, and now
Oh yeah, isn't
like
there
just
like
tell the player like
the damage? Yeah, I forgot that's a thing.
yeah. So like instead of we're not like removing things from the world. We're just saying, yo, dog, you
Yeah.
hit something. Congratulations, you did your job. But like in reality, we're not actually letting it hit the player.
Yeah. Yeah, you're so smart, twin.
I know. So right, bestie. I hate you.
It's okay.
Um,
Hello, Sprite 2D2, why aren't you making your keyframe? Hello? There you go. Good job.
yippee. Yippee. gradient texture, dude. They're never gonna take it away from me.
Oh, they will.
They could never break my love for gradient texture. Gradient texture was on what? Flight log? No. I didn't know he was friends with Crag.
No. You can't be saying that.
Crag tier from Elden Ring. Alright, you lost me. Crag crystal tier from Elden Ring is a shield that goes away when it gets hit. JW, can you confirm or deny this?
Yes, this is true.
Okay. Independent fact checker has verified this. Congratulations, you are allowed through. May I interest you in a link to cheap viewers? That's the callback right there.
We might be like the funniest streamers on Twitch right now.
Yeah, okay, yeah, let's moralize. Let's should be straight, not a furry. He's really good at Crag.
This is true, I'm really good at Crag. I'm opening
You just said all that's
right
true.
now. No, I didn't say all of
he's
that's
not
true.
good at Crag. He's not
Maybe
good
I
at
should
Crag,
play
everybody.
Elden Ring. Chat. Should I open up Elden Ring right now?
You've
Actually,
played
should
Elden
I
Ring.
install Elden Ring? Or should I buy Elden Ring right now?
You own it. What are you talking about?
No, I actually only played it on Xbox.
Oh, you're weird.
Yep. Because I played it a long time ago when I used to play on Xbox. What is it?
What?
Oh, is this not working now? Oh, I did something. Oh, wait a second.
Someone isn't a global position correctly. Hmm.
Oh, it's because I made the wrong thing top level. You need to be top level. Ooh. Cool.
Ooh. Alright, buddy.
There we go. You need to be top level.
I will point out, like, potentially a slight issue with the display that you have there, which is that they get very close together, which may make it hard to see what the enemy is.
Yeah, I'll try it. We'll see. You might be right.
It's just my initial gut
Yeah,
reaction.
this was just like a quick test. It could look terribly. You are correct. I just wanted to get something moving, you know? Moving.
Objects, components. Components are like for building things. That feels wrong.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's
But,
just read that. Objects. Objects for now. Although it is kind of a component, so I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, dude. The hardest part about game dev is deciding where everything goes.
mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Actually, don't register yourself. I don't even know about you.
You should register yourself now.
So I want to know about the health. Right? Well, no. No. I want to know about the events. Util get components. Dude, I wonder if I have a failsafe or a fallback for this. I'll see in a second. Attack. Let's just like set the attack damage to 0 for now, and then say console.print. Get locked, idiot. Okay, so it does get blocked. Why does it still? We want it to. JW, can you look whenever you get a chance?
Yep.
So I have it so it's not dealing damage to the player. Do you also want it to block the knockback?
No, because it should count like an attack, like a hit. Like if you got hit, it should kind of just act as like a temporary extra heart.
Yeah. So okay. That's
So
fine.
yes,
Because what I want to do is oh, see, do you want it to still play the animation whenever you get hit? Like the zoom in with the vignette on the side.
Maybe, or maybe it should play like a different animation.
I think I'd probably be okay with it playing a different animation since it's like a sort of ethereal
like a
bubble
specialty
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will still. I think giving the player invulnerability after the fact is still worth it though. Does the stream seem a bit slow? Oh, dude. Okay, now there we go. That's fire. DG's got it.
See, look at that. Beautiful. Like the number of people that would click on that would be so much more. What does this take you to? Okay, can I click on it?
There's no way. Has anyone bought chowder.com yet?
What? Has anybody bought Dante's 9?
Chowder.com is for sale, by the way. Just letting you guys know.
What?
Chowder.com is for sale.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. How much is it? Is it still like $1,000? Oh no. Okay. What is your guess about how much chowder.com is?
I don't know. $5.
$5. Okay. Do you know how much? Okay. Do you know how much a website usually costs, like domain-wise? Just curious. I don't know if you even know that. Okay.
I have multiple actually.
So this says from Namecheap, chowder.com is a cool $497,000.
Why?
It's a premium website, dog.
What do you mean it's a premium website?
Chowder.com?
Like, there we go. Video, I got the
only one person can own chowder.com.
It even works pretty well on the worm, even though it like highlights the head. So it's got like the little.
Whoa.
Might actually make it a different color, but it works.
Should make a fade out at the end. Like rather quickly, but
I think it's fine since it's kind of like a UI thing. I want to add some sounds to it eventually, but I still don't know what the actual card itself. I was on Vision the whole time. That's what you get for showing off chowder.com.
Haha, let's go. I just advertised. God, I love this fucking song. I'm glad that I found that second artist that evokes even remotely similar feelings that Mizuki's music does. Unfortunately, based on their album art, they also seem to be another furry artist, which is like very unfortunate because I wish I could find music that I got like autistic about, and they didn't have that as their album art because I don't want to fight more allegations than I have to. You know what I mean? No, you wouldn't know what I mean.
Oh, no.
Why is...
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me look at the list.
The list.
Let me make sure this works with the duration. It should.
Yay. Okay, cool. That works. Does it work well? Probably. It works well enough. JW, what should this... Are we doing any upgrades on... Or... Oh, this is for a sticker, right? Actually, the shield thing.
Yeah.
So this is whenever you equip this, this has a shield. Is it for a set amount of time then? Or is it while you have...
It's while
like,
you have it
how do
equipped. So the sticker goes on the equipment, and as long as you have the equipment equipped, it has the shield until it breaks.
Okay, I see. I see.
Alrighty then. Twin.
Thanks, twin.
My pleasure, twin.
All right, buddy. Get your fucking Chick-fil-A bullshit out of here now.
Meow.
All right, cool.
Meow. Oh, it's almost Counter-Strike.
am I
Actually,
doing?
past Counter-Strike time, chat.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Let me lock in real quick. I'm gonna get the sticker working. I'm gonna lock in. Okay, first thing is... Oh shit, this is a new type of sticker actually. Fuck me.
Yeah, you can do it tomorrow.
Fuck,
play
it's a new
League.
type of
It's
sticker.
okay. You can go play
How
League.
do I want... Give me a second. The devil is telling me to bite the apple right now. Jimmy, get in here and read John 3:16. You go to church every Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
It's just so shocking, man. You don't seem like the
This guy
kind of
hates
like
me.
consistent to be able to do that. And I should know about being inconsistent. Have you seen my YouTube channel? I'm an expert on it.
I mean, have you seen my stream schedule?
Yeah, I guess you know what? Autism likes routine. What can I say?
I'm regular.
So I need this to do something whenever the do we have a list of stickers?
A list of stickers.
Just in general, like sticker ideas that we've had.
Yes, it's under cards. In Dante's 9.
What?
Click on the
In
tab
Dante's
that
9.
says
Oh.
Dante's 9. Cards. It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom of cards.
Sorry, what is...
Don't worry about that. That was me filling out like types and stuff that we didn't end up using. Most of those are like bad, but yeah.
Invisible sticker? What the fuck does that mean?
I don't know.
Okay, I like that you like really put like a lot of extra notes on some of these like invisible sticker cat skull. I get it. You're just like tossing ideas down. Sometimes you have functions. Sometimes you have images.
Yeah.
I get it.
He
like
doesn't get it.
angels.
He's not an artist. He doesn't get it, chat. He doesn't really get it.
Oh shit, wrong one.
What was that other one?
What do you mean? What was that other one? That's crazy. You didn't immediately fucking neuron activate to that sound.
Well, because I was drinking water and I barely heard it. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
You don't know what?
Wait, I know what that is.
You got this.
What is it? Am I stupid? I know what this is.
Oh my god.
I know what it is, but like I...
No fucking shot.
Oh, yes,
Not a
yes,
minion.
yes, that's what it is. Yes,
What
Angry
is it?
Birds.
Go on.
Angry Birds.
There
I
it
knew
is. You
what
got
it
it.
was.
It was an
It
angry
was just
bird
like
flying by.
I just haven't heard that sound in probably like 10 years.
Is this a microwave still? It is.
Did you know that when the iPhone came out, it came with Angry Birds?
It didn't.
I'm sad I don't know
What are the rest of the sounds on here? Hold on. Oh. Oh yeah, here we go. I can keep this one whenever JW talks. I can hit him with it.
Your soundboard is like really quiet compared to your voice, by the way.
Oh, is it? I have it
Yeah,
turned down
it's,
so I don't
like,
want it to be
really
too loud. But I can like hit it with like a.
Yeah, that's like a good volume. There you go.
Okay.
You could even turn it up like a lot more.
Well, it's maxed, so.
Oh, okay. Darn, I wanted to like blast everybody's ears out.
There you go.
Okay, that's a little loud.
Okay.
That's a little quiet. That's a little quiet. There we go. That's good. Why are we sending Photoshop files in chat?
Sorry.
I don't like that.
Where's mana cost? I'm just sorry. I was thinking about this. I was like, what? Select fire receiver from Apex Legends. Can we kill this guy?
Where?
Can
Come
we kill
on, I
this
wanted to have full
motherfucker?
auto on the op.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of like
Oh yeah, I forgot about Bungus. We need to add Bungus still. Because for Bungus, I was thinking it would be Bungus, but it would be like Mana Bungus.
Mana heal?
Yeah, so like the
Mana
you
heal,
could
it's
put it
like
on
mana
all summons, and it would give you like a
Like mana
soul
heal.
projector.
Yeah. Yeah, like mana heal.
Is that a League of Legends reference?
No, it's an Otterboy 12 reference,
Oh.
Realm of the Mad God, that he
Oh,
rants
okay.
about, because in Realm of the Mad God, they have a stat which is called Mana Heal. Do you know what that does?
No.
Like, actually know, or?
I mean, it has something to do with healing something mana. I don't know. It could be
Okay,
like
take a
it
guess
heals.
of, like, let's say if something was called Mana Heal, what would you think that would do?
I mean, maybe it would heal you when you get mana.
Okay, that's your guess?
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Does it heal your? Does it like increase your mana?
It heals your mana bar.
So it just
instead of mana
fills it.
regen, the stat is called Mana
I
Heal.
hate that so much.
Because
That's so bad.
Because if your heal stat is 5, you heal 5 HP a second. If your mana heal stat is 5, you heal 5
I don't
mana.
care.
A
I don't
second.
like it.
That's okay. Otter fucking goes off about this every fucking time he plays Realm of the Mad God. Which
That's
I don't know
so
why he
bad.
Plays it.
I don't know why he plays. It looks so bad.
Okay, I might actually call it for today because I want to think more about this equipment shield thing. I've got the fucking bubble working.
Okay.
Yay. The only thing is, I need to know how I want to activate it on, like, I need to have it tie into card activation, and I am going to think about that a lot because if we have a lot of cards that do that, I would like to have something at least generic enough that we can kind of keep that for the future.
Yeah.
Or sorry, stickers that do that.
We would probably want to have it that when things like projectiles hit the bubble, they like instantly get destroyed rather than waiting to hit the player, because that looks a little weird if you have like the bubble out and then the projectile goes through
you want
the
it to hit
bubble.
the bubble.
Yeah, and I would make the bubble a little smaller if we're gonna have a bubble. But that's like easier to do. You just put like a hitbox or something on it.
Yeah, just make it into a
kills
fucking hitbox.
Yeah, so if it's a hitbox, the projectile hits the hitbox. If it's a melee attack, it hits the whatever thing that makes it ignore.
It's just gonna hit the fucking hitbox first.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah, it's just gonna hit the hitbox first.
Yeah, but no, I'm happy with how much we got done in that period.
It's probably gonna go in and disable the player's hitbox during this, and then take it over as the hitbox, and then when the player gets damaged, it just eats that. Honestly, that's gonna be an interesting one because it also means that it would get hard. It would get like the harder the level is, the better the shield is. Because if you're taking like double damage, the shield will still block a full attack, even though normally that shield would block half a heart, and now it is blocking a full heart.
Yeah.
Or if you have, for example, 24 cursed skulls, what normally would kill you. Which actually would kill me now because I don't know how to add this back to the player other than like deleting it and adding it back. Perhaps may add it back. Who knows? The game is frozen. The game's not working. Okay, game's not happy about that. But yeah, it would block as much damage as it could. I don't know if we want it to have.
No, I like that. That's cool.
Okay. So yeah. All right.
Yeah. Now that we're adding all this like buffing and things like that, I want to add more like advanced enemies that are more dangerous.
Yeah, I think we should.
I feel like
the enemies need to have more.
Now it's like the enemies don't feel as scary. Like it's been like the enemies were easy and then they were scary because we made them more harder, and then now we added a bunch of like crazy items and stuff, and now they feel really easy.
We're just like
then we can make them
power scaling ourselves.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys for hanging out. We will be back on Thursday
with hopefully more of this stuff in the list on tomorrow, but we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm playing League of Legends tonight.
I'm playing